You can also scroll with computer control, of course. To do this, focus on the window on which you want to scroll, and after you made sure your target is in the correct position, which usually is the case as the area is very big, select the scroll function within the interaction menu. You will see that a faint circle has appeared similar to the trace, with the difference that this circle won't follow your gaze. When you look beneath that circle, the page will start scrolling, and how further you look down, how faster the page will scroll. This is the same for all directions. When you look up, you'll scroll up. When you look to the left or to the right, you will scroll to the left or to the right. What I usually do when I read something is put the scroll circle at one side of the text and begin reading. This way, the page slowly scrolls as I read, which prevents me to going back and forth between menus. The last main function is the keyboard function.